But saying your parents should kill you?
No, I killed your
That
parents.
You were saying that you killed my
No, you
parents
heard
wanted
it
to kill
wrong.
me. When I
You
said
heard it
I'm a
wrong.
sacrifice and y'all wanted me to die, y'all said, I bet your parents are trying to kill you. Like,
That's not what we said.
yes, you did.
No, we didn't.
You were being
Jesus,
mean
kid.
to me the whole time.
No, we weren't. Quit being so sensitive. Toughen up,
Or whatever.
Buttercup.
Yeah, toughen up, Buttercup.
Aw.
Getting caught in the rain.
Yeah.
A knife. That has a bayonet on a...
Yeah, that isn't gonna work, buddy. Nice try though.
I killed 6 people before he killed me.
See.